Hi, my name is Vishnya, and today you're going to learn how you can recover from stress in only a couple of minutes in the presence of God. What you need to do first is to be aware that God is present everywhere. Right now, right where you are, no matter where that is. The Holy Scripture tells us, namely, in God we live and move and have our being. In God we live and move and have our being. This also means that God is in you. Imagine that. The infinite, almighty, and kind God is present in your very heart, in all of your being. Could it be any better? This fact alone, that God is with you and in you, can free you from numerous feelings of inferiority, lack of self-confidence, and stress. The Holy Scripture also says that God is love. This means that love lives in you. So I invite you to take 5 minutes now, and in these 5 minutes you can get more rest than in an hour's sleep. Breathe in and out deeply 3 or 4 times. Relax completely and say to yourself, now I don't need to do anything. Just immerse myself in the love of God. God will take care of everything else. And now be aware that God is in you. Tell it to your soul. Repeat it to yourself. God is in me. God, my Creator, lives in me. In every cell, in every atom of my body, in my psyche, and in my mind, all around me. God is everywhere, at all times. God, who created me with immeasurable love, is present. Like when I swim in the sea, and the sea surrounds me from all sides, so the love of God is there for me. God, who is love, is to my right and to my left. I am completely safe. God is to my right and to my left. And God is behind me. He has always been with me, every moment of my life. He has accompanied me every step of the way. He always protected me. And God is also in front of me. He goes ahead of me and prepares the way for me. God leads me to true life. And God is also above me. His almighty hand rests on my head, protects me, and blesses me from day to day. God is also beneath me. He is the solid ground on which I stand. I can never be destroyed. God is my rock. I can always rely on Him. Tell your soul, God is in me and around me. Everywhere at all times. God's presence gives me support, peace, and confidence. Thank you, dear God, for your presence. Thank you that I'm perfectly loved just as I am. Thank you that I'm perfectly protected because you are perfect. God, I place my life in your hands. Everything I have and everything I am belongs to you. Now you can slowly come out of the meditation and go about your everyday life with new strength. May God bless you. See you in the next video.